I'm back. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola. If you don't know me, I create all kinds of pink, beauty, and fashion videos. If you like any of that, consider subscribing, click the notification bell below, and follow me on social media. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So let me start off first by saying how much I missed all of you so much. I am so happy to finally be back on filming. I know it's been a few months since I last uploaded a video. There was just so much going on. The kids were getting out of school, I was getting ready to move, and then I ended up getting a new job. So literally like a whole new thing, and that's why I didn't upload. It just took me a while to rearrange everything and get things ready and organized, but I am beyond excited to finally be back on filming. And as you can see, everything is rearranged a little bit differently. I'll probably be doing an updated vanity and closet tour very soon, but I am so excited to finally be back and just get back on track and be able to film once a week. So with that being said, let's go ahead and start with today's video. So as you saw from the title, it's going to be my 1-year review on one of my favorite handbags from Louis Vuitton. This is the Louis Vuitton Alma BB in the Damier Avine print. And I'm just going to kind of briefly show you the bag, what it looks like, and the size. So it is a pretty small size bag. However, you can fit so much into this cute little bag. And I use this non-stop every day. It's like one of my favorite go-to bags. Like I said, I've had this over a year and a half, and honestly I think it has held up quite well. There is really no visible wear and nothing really. I mean, it's still intact for all the use that I put this bag through. It does come also in the monogram print, which is also very beautiful, but I opted to get this one because it doesn't require much care and the handles won't patina, which for me it's not a huge problem, but I just really like this color. I think it's beautiful. So this little bag can fit so much in it. But before I show you what it fits inside, let me give you some of the pros and cons in case you're considering of getting this handbag. So some of the pros for this bag, number one is that it's small but versatile at the same time. It does come with a strap so you can wear it 3 different styles with the handles on the shoulder or as a crossbody. This handbag is also very spacious on the inside. It does come in red, and I really like that color just because it doesn't really get dirty at all. I mean, unless you put something in there that will stain it, but other than that, I mean, everything is inside looks pretty nice and color is just perfect. There is no color transfer whatsoever. I also like the fact that the bottom of the purse has these little feet so that you can just stand it and it doesn't scratch the base of the purse. That's also another great thing, and I love it when purses have these little feet in there. It just kind of protects your purse. The zipper is really smooth. I actually barely close it, to be honest with you. I always leave it open just because it's easier just to kind of stick your hand in. But the zipper is still the same. It's very smooth. The gold hardware is still very, very shiny. There is no scratches or anything. The lock does have a little bit of discoloration on the top as well as the bottom, but it's nothing like too visible and it doesn't really bother me. It does also come with its little keys inside, and I did have my name monogrammed on the front with the hot stamp in gold. The handles have no chipping, no cracking. They still look intact. There's no discoloration at all. As for the cons of the handbag, I really can't think of any. Like I said, it is my favorite handbag, and I can't really find anything negative to say about this little bag. It's my go-to, and if you are considering of getting a Louis Vuitton bag, I would highly, highly suggest this one. It's just so pretty, so luxurious, and it looks great with literally any outfit of any color. So let me show you very briefly what fits inside, just so you can get a brief idea, and I'll show you what I have inside my purse. So as you can see, it's pretty packed, but there's still a lot of space in here. The only thing is that if you pack it all the way to the top, then you might not be able to close it with the zipper. So you do want to keep that in mind, that in order for the whole zipper to close and not get like distorted on the top, you don't want to overfill it. So I would say just to fill it just halfway. If you're like me, I always leave my bag open, so you can definitely fill it to the top and just not zipper it up. So inside here I do have my iPhone. This is the iPhone 13 Pro, and I actually got this really pretty glittery case from Amazon. It's clear because the phone is light blue, so it kind of just shows the color, and it's just so pretty. I'll link it below. So the next thing I have in here are my AirPods, and I have them in this adorable pink case. I got this from a shop on Instagram. I'll see if I can find it and link it below, but it's so adorable and it's pink. I also have my wallet, and it's in this pretty pink color. You can fit so many cards in here. It's like a little accordion. It just kind of opens and you just put in the cards. It's very practical and I really love it. Next, I also have a little scrunchie. I always carry something like that for my hair in my handbags, just because it's summertime and it's super hot, and there's just days that you just want to put your hair up. And then the last thing I have in my purse is this little makeup bag. It's a Chanel makeup bag, and inside I have some of my favorite beauty products, which I carry with me at all times. One of them is my Chanel face powder, and this one here is just kind of to touch up your makeup and your foundation. And it does have a pretty decent sized mirror and then a brush to go with it, which I think is great. And then the other thing I have in here is my Chanel hand cream. I adore this thing so much. It smells so incredible, and it leaves your hands super silky and smooth, so it's really good for your hands, and I just love the shape. I think it's just so pretty and luxurious. Next, I have my favorite lipstick. I have been loving this lipstick so much. This is actually the second one I buy in like the past year, just because I use it non-stop. It is from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's the Supermodel. It's the best color ever. It's actually the color that I'm wearing. It's just very nude, but it's like a slight pink to it. It's just very pretty. Highly recommend all the lipsticks from Charlotte Tilbury. They're like the best. And the last thing I have is this other lipstick, which I also love to carry. It's from Givenchy, and it has this pretty pink case. This is actually reusable, so you buy the case separately and then you just buy the lipstick of your choice from Givenchy. But of course I had to get this pink case because it's just adorable. So that was pretty much it on my 1 year update on my handbag. Like I said, I highly recommend it. It's one of my favorite bags, and if you're looking to get a Louis Vuitton bag, definitely check this one out. So before I end today's video, I wanted to share with you very quickly a package that I received from my best friend Janine. This was actually the first package that I had received at my new address, and I was just beyond excited and so happy to get a package at my new address. So she sent me like a summer package, and it's pink, and she is literally just like me. We love everything that's pink and girly. So in the package there is a card, super cute. I already read it, so we're not going to go into detail on that, but I literally love Janine so much. And then in here she sent me these gorgeous Juicy Couture earrings. These are from Forever 21, and oh my goodness, they are beautiful. I have not seen these in stores, but look how cute they are. They are like light pink, and they are like dainty. They are so pretty. I am so excited with these earrings. They're like little hoop earrings. Also in here she sent me this beautiful bangle bracelet. This one is so pretty. It says, "May a guardian angel remain with you during the journey through life, offering divine love, protection, strength, and peace." And it has like little charms that say faith, believe, and trust. And then there's also a necklace, and this necklace, I know she has it as well, so we'll be twinning on this one. It's the Bombshell necklace from Victoria's Secret. Like, this is so pretty. She is like the queen of finding everything cute online. Like, I don't know how she found this, but it is adorable and I can't wait to wear it. There's also a lipstick. This one here is from Winky Lux, and they have the most adorable packaging ever. It is so cute. Let me take it out so I can show you, but it looks like this. How cute. And then it's in this super light shade of pink, and the color is just like a very clear color with a slight shade of pink. It's almost like a balm, very glossy and hydrating for the lips, so she sent me that. And the last thing in here I'm going to definitely be taking on my vacation. She sent me this gorgeous bathing suit that says Barbie. Like, how cute is this? It is adorable. It says Barbie and it has a little pink kiss here. Like, how cute is this? I can't wait to wear this, and the back is beautiful. It's like a very low back. Like, how pretty. I am so thrilled with everything you sent me, Janine. I love you girls so much. So that was everything in today's video. Like I said, I am so excited to finally be back on filming and just bringing a video at least once every week. So make sure you stay posted, click the notification bell below so that way you're updated with a new video. I do plan on doing an updated vanity and room tour, and then I have many others that I am planning on filming in the next coming days, so make sure you stay posted. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!